Welcome back to LSA Team channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace CCV on BMW X5 3-liter petrol. That is the long version of CCV replacement, where we have to take out the intake manifold. We have to take out loads of hoses, plastic covers and electrical connectors. A good part of this video will be speed up just to save some time and not drag it on too much. I can't show you everything due to very tight space around the engine, but basically you have to disconnect almost everything attached to intake manifold. Those two hoses has to come out as well. Now you have to disconnect the top bolts of the manifold. The last bolt here was a bit difficult to access. I use a mirror to see where it is. Now you have to disconnect the injectors. To do that, you have to pry out the securing clips and pull out the electrical connectors. Next is the fuel rail. Unscrew the bolts and pull it out. This manifold is got a bolt at the bottom too. Is it right under the throttle body? As you can see, you've got loads of clips and ties around the manifold. Make sure you disconnect them all. This is a different view from the engine. You have the top bolts and the bottom, which is right here. To take that out, you have to use a socket with extension and get it from the side. Once you take that out, you have to lift up the manifold and hold it. Before you take it out all the way, you have to disconnect all the hoses and electrical connectors underneath. The throttle body has to come out to give space to replace the CCV and CCV lines. Now might be a perfect time to clean the throttle body and idler control valve and to replace the manifold gasket too. That's all for today's video, guys. Please check part 2 for the installation of the new CCV. I'll post the video link in description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.